Hello everyone, it's Huria from Nile Agency. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom property that has a unique value. That means for contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and custom objects, you can today, via HubSpot, create up to 10 custom properties that require unique values. That means the users of that portal will be enabled to enter the same value for multiple records. Maybe we can take a use case that, for example, you have two sheets like Excel sheets or Google sheets where you have companies and another one where you have the contacts. And actually, you have maybe only one column that helps you associate the contacts to the companies. For example, we can use the CRAT, which is like one ID of every company that exists, and it's a unique ID. So before, how we used to do this on HubSpot, we used to import our company's database and then export it by taking the record ID property. And this was actually helping us to go and search for our contacts and then just like do our VLOOKUP and then just like try to associate both. Or if we want to update the same database and maybe we wanted to do it on our Google Sheet, then we had to do the same process. You need to export it, keep the ID record, and then import it back into HubSpot, and then you can update it. So how you do this? Well, first you go into your HubSpot account or portal. Here I'm going to go to properties. So here in the section of the data management, I will go here, search for the company properties, create a property. Here I'm going to make, for example, it's an information about the company, and I'm going to call it unique value. Here I'm going to search for the type of my field. I'm just going to get the text. And here you have this one, which is requires only one, requires unique values for this property. So I'm gonna just select it, and here I'm gonna click on create. So here I already made a little list for the tests. So here we have companies. So I chose just like three properties. I have the CRAT ID, I have the company name, and then I have the country. And here I have I have 7 contacts with just like fictive informations. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to here first download my sheet. I will go to import. I'm going to search for my file. Same process. Here I have one object, and here I have the companies. So I'm going to take it, put it here, and then next I'm going to search for the unique value. Here we can see that it has the same key as the one that we used to see in the record ID one. And here next, and I will finish my import. So now, for example, I want to change some information. So I'll come to the same, actually, hold on. Let's go first see these companies. Here are the companies. Okay, so I just noticed that I named one the same thing. So I'm gonna call it Aloha test. So this is, for example, something that I made. It's a mistake. So I came here to just modify my base. Here, for example, I can just like change and maybe put Morocco. Here, I'm gonna name it who this, for example. And here, I'm going to download again. So here are the names. I'm gonna take these two for the example. I'll do the same process, import, start an import, same process. Here next, one field, I have one object, And here I have the companies, and I'll take my sheet here. And next, perfect, up, and finish import. Wait for it until it downloads. Perfect. So here I'm going to click on show the companies, and we can see that actually these are the ones who been updated. So here was the other one, Aloha Test, and this one, I think this one I didn't update anything about it. Yeah. But if we take who this, for example, and I'm going to check the properties history, and I'm gonna just type name. Oh, no. And here we can see, nom de l'entreprise. And here we can see that actually the name was updated. And all of this is thanks to the SIRET number that I created, or maybe the unique value property that I created. And now, actually, what I can do, I will just go to this one. This one is actually the same as the company. I'm just going to name it here. I'm going to download it. This is the second use case that might happen to you for the associations. And here I'm going to import this file. Here actually what I'm trying to do is associate the contact to the company. So I'm going to click on object, multiple objects. I have companies and contacts. I'll come here, take this one. Next, here I'm going to search for the one of the company, which we called unique value. So I have name, I have this. Okay, perfect. Everything is good for my mapping. And here, finish import. Check if I had any Aloha tests. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, Marik and Ashlyn should be in the same Aloha test. So here, if I just update, I can see Marik. Hold on, what's this? Having the same, and I need also Ashlyn. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, there was one. Up. If I go here. Yeah, well, actually, Ashlyn was not created because it's from our agency and we actually tested it already. So this is the this is how to actually create a unique value property, and very easy, so helpful. It helps a lot, especially in the implementations. If you want to go out from a CRM and go to HubSpot, or just like you used to work on your Google Sheets and then you want to start importing your database, this is very, very helpful. And it's very easy also. Thank you all again for following me, and I will see you very soon.